Good morning to all. Welcome to math class. Okay, today we can discuss about different types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is always less than denominator. Proper fraction means numerator is always less than denominator. Example of proper fraction is 4 by 5 or 4 upon 5. 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Numerator is always less than denominator. That means it is proper fraction. Clear? Numerator is always less than denominator. It is proper fraction. Example is 4 by 5 or 4 upon 5. Okay. Then another fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is bigger than denominator. Numerator is always bigger than numerator is bigger than the denominator. It is improper fraction. Okay. Example of improper fraction means 6 by 4. Okay. Numerator is bigger than denominator. This type of fraction is called improper fraction. Okay. Then third one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means it is combination of whole and a part. Mixed fraction means it is combination of whole and part. Example of mixed fraction is 2 3 by 4, 1 5 by 6, like that. Example of mixed fraction is 2 3 upon 4. This type of fractions is called mixed fractions. Clear? Okay. Then exercise 7.2. Open your textbook. Exercise 7.2. First question. Draw number line and locate the points on them. Draw a number line and locate the points on them. Question is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 4 by 4. Okay, very important. Okay. Then first we draw a number line. Number line. This one is 0. This side is positive. The right side is positive. Okay. The left side is negative. Okay. This one is 0. We put -1 plus. Okay. We know 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. It is less than 1. Okay. Then it is positive fractions. Okay. Previous class we know integers table. Okay. 0 and 1. These values are located inside. Okay. 1 by 2 means half. half of 0 and 1. Half. That means this one. This one is 1 by 2. This one is 1 by 2. Half of 0 and 1. This 1 by 2 is half. Okay. Then another one is 1 by 4. Okay. Another one is 1 by 4. This one is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. This one is 1 by 4. The next number is 2 by 4. Next number is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means it is 1 by 2. 2 by 4. This one is 1 by 4. Next one is 2 by 4. Next one is 3 by 4. And next number is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. 2 by 4 means it is converted into lowest form. 2 divided by 2, 1 by 4 divided by 2 is 2. That is 1 by 2. Okay, clear? This one is 1 by 4. And this one is also 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is converted into the lowest. 2 and 4. It is common divisible by 2. That is 1 by 2. Okay, clear. Then another number is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Another is 4 by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. That means this one is 4 by 4. Okay. 4 by 4. Clear? Okay. Then another question is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. Okay, this is the second question. Okay, then same as above. First, as you draw a number line, this one is 0 and this one is minus and this one is positive 1. These fractions are lies between 0 and 1. Okay, this one is 1 by 8. You just mark 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. Question is 7 by 8. You mark 7 by 8. 8 by 8 is 1. Okay, that is comes. Question is 7 by 8. We finished 7 by 8. Okay, clear? Clear. Other questions you write. Okay, in the exercise, other questions. Use the number line. Okay. Then the second question. Express following as mixed fraction. Second question. Express following fractions as mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Question is 20 by 3. This fraction is converted into the mixed fraction. First we write 20 divided 3. 20 divided by 3. How many times? 6 into 3 is 18. 6 into 3 is 18. 0 minus 8 is not possible. You take borrow. 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Remaining 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. We converted into the mixed fraction. That means first we write 6. Okay. Then remainder is 2 upon 2 upon or 2 by divide. That means 3. First we write 6. Remainder is 2 by this device. 2 by 3. That is 6, 2 by 3. Okay. You just follow. First we write 6. Then another number is 2 by 3. Okay. This is the mixed fraction. Clear? Okay. Another one is 11 upon 5. 11 upon 5. We converted into the mixture. 11 upon 5. How many times? Yes, 5 into 2 is 5 into 2 is 10. Clear? Then subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. No problem. Okay. We converted into the mixture. That is, first we write 2. Then 1 upon 5. Clear? That is 2, 1 by 5. Clear? This is the mixed fraction. Clear? Okay. Then the third question is express the following as improper fraction. Following as convert into the improper fraction. 7 3 by 4. We know it is mixed fraction. Question is, we converted into the improper fraction. That means simple. First we multiply 7 into 4. 7 into 4. 7 into 4 plus this number 3 whole divided 4. First we multiply 7 into 4. 7 into 4 plus 3 whole divided 4. That means 7 into 4. 7 into 4, 28 plus 3 divided, whole divided 4. 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3. Yes, that is 31 upon 4. 31 upon 4. Clear? 31 by 4. Clear? It is converted into the improper fraction. Third question. Okay. Okay. Then another example is 5 6 by 7. 5 6 by 7. First we write 5. 5 into 7. 5 into 7 plus 6 whole divided 7. Same as above. 5 into 7. Yes. 35 plus 6 whole divided 7. 35 plus 6. Yes. 41 divided 7. That is 41 by 7. Mixed fraction converted into the improper. Okay. Improper fraction. Clear? Improper means numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. Then another one is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction defined as fraction with different numerator and denominators that represent same value. Defined as fraction with different numerators and denominators that represent different values. Okay, this equivalent fraction. Okay, example of equivalent fraction is 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. This type of fraction is equivalent fraction. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. 2 by 4 converted into lowest, we get 1 by 2. 3 divided by 6 converted into the lowest term, divided by 3 common, that is 3 by 6 converted into lowest term, we get 1 by 2. 4 by 8 converted into the lowest term, we get 1 by 2. This type is called equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Okay. Some questions are in the form. Write the equivalent fraction. Okay. Then it is equivalent fraction. Then exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3. The first question you check. Write the fractions. Are all the fractions are equivalent? Question is A and B. You just check. It is equivalent or not. Okay. Then second question, that means replace. This one is box. Replace box in each of the following by correct number. Replace the box in each of the following by correct number. Question is 2/7 equal 2/7 equal 8 divided this box, the unknown box. We find the value. Okay. Okay. This one is 2. This one is 8. Which number? This one is 2. 2 multiplied by which number we get 8? This number is 2. This one is 8. Which number we multiply we get the result 8. Yes. 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8. Okay. This one is 7. We multiply the same number. That is 4. 7 into 4 is yes, 28. 28. Clear? This number is 2. This number is 8. Which number we multiply? The result is 8. 4. That is 2 into 4 is 8. The same number we multiply. 7 into 4 is 28. Clear? Okay. Another question is 5 divided 8 equal 5 by 8 equal 10 by 4. This number is 5. This one is 10. Which number we multiply? Yes, 5 into 2 is 10. The same number we multiply by 8. That means 8 into 2. That is 16. 8 into 2 is 16. Okay. Clear? Okay. Then another question is 45 divided 60 is equal 15 divided this number. Okay. This one is 45. In previous question, this number is less than. Okay. But in this question, this one is 45. This one is 15. This number is greater. In this type of question, we write 45 divided by 15. That is 45 divided 15. That is a major difference. 45 divided by 15. What is the result? Yes, 3. 45 divided 15. The result is 3. We know 3. This number is 3. 60 divided 3. That means 60 divided 3. What is the answer? 60 divided by 3 is equal yes, 20. That is the major difference. This number is greater. Okay. Not we multiply. In this type we division. Divide. Previous question is less than. So we multiply. Okay. That is the major difference. Okay. Okay. Then other questions you write in your notebook. The remaining questions are homework for you. Okay. Clear? Okay. Then the last question. Find equivalent fraction 3 by 5 having. Find equivalent fraction. Very important. Find equivalent fraction 3 by 5. 3 by 5 having. 3 by 5 having. First question A. Denominator 20. Denominator 20. Equivalent fraction 3 by 5 having denominator 20. First we write 3 by 5 equal denominator 20 means first we write 20. We find this number. Okay. First one is denominator 20. This one is 20. We find this number. Okay. This one is 5. This is less. This one is 20. which number we multiply by 5, we get 20. Which number? Yes, 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. Clear? 5 into 4 is 20. The same number you multiply by 3. That means 3 into 4. 3 into 4. That is 12. Okay. This value is 12. That means it is equivalent. That is the question. Okay. Then another one, B section. This one is denominator 20. Another one is numerator 9. Numerator 9. The same question. Write equivalent fraction 3 by 5 having numerator 9. First we write. Question is 3 by 5 is equal. Question is numerator. Numerator is 9. 9 by, we find this number. Okay. This one is 3, less than. We get 9. Which number? This one is 3. 3 multiplied by which number we get 9? Yes. 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. The same number we multiply by 5. That is 5 into 3. That is 15. That means the result is 9 by 15. Okay, clear? Okay. 9 by 15. Okay, the remaining questions you write. That means it is homework for you. You write in your notebook. If you have any doubt, just ask to me. Okay. Okay. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.